Alright, there's something I've wanted to try for a while, which is welding directly from solar panels. So I have my boat here, and if I turn on a certain switch, I can direct connect 6 of these solar panels to the motor. And each one of those panels is about 30 volts and about 10 amps. So it'll be like 30 volts and about 60 amps running through it, which I think should be enough to weld. Alright, these are the 2 wires that go to the motor. I just have them one vice gripped onto a welding stick and the other one vice gripped onto a piece of steel. And this is a piece of stainless steel, and this is a welding stainless stick that I got from somewhere. And I think I got it. It took a bit of practice. Let me show you. I'm going to try to do something simple. Alright, I'm just going to fill in one of these holes. The hardest part is getting it started. Once I get the little spot heated up enough, it's a piece of cake. There, one hole filled in. And all the slag is popping off now. Fires off like bullets. Here's another one I did. And this was welded together not by me. This is a piece of scrap I got from somewhere. But I did fix a piece of it right there. I don't know, whoever was doing this was obviously practicing. So it's going to take a bit of practice to get this, but I'm pretty sure I can weld stainless steel right here directly off the solar panels and do a decent job. Here, it actually came out pretty good. I know my camera doesn't focus close up, but yeah. Oh yes. Wow, that just opened some doors.